Oh, I just checked outside here and it has stopped raining here in Terre Haute. Still a little fine mist going on out there. And we take a look at the Storm Team 10 storm tracker and we continue to have some areas of light rain across the region. And so that'll continue to be the case as we get into the overnight hours. And what's happening is actually a cold front is going to go through. It's not sharply colder behind this front, but it is going to change the direction of the wind. And so we're going to have a sharp northwest wind during the day tomorrow. Now, the thing about it is, as we get into the nighttime, see this right in through here, see how we get a little icy precipitation? It's possible that during the late overnight hours, we do have maybe just the slight chance of a little ice developing or maybe a little stray flurry or two. And so there could be some slick spots, perhaps mostly on bridges and overpasses and so on. But I just want you to know that as you travel late tonight or first thing in the morning, a few little icy spots are not out of the question. Paris has 39, Mattoon 40, Casey 42, Robinson 42, and Vincennes 43. Actually, this is not all that cold, really, when you think about it, but it's kind of clammy outside because of the dampness in the air. Northwest wind in Terre Haute at 9, west wind in Paris at 8, west in Vincennes at 6, and west in Bloomington. And so we have a west, and eventually it'll tend to the northwest like it is in Mattoon at 8 miles per hour. Wind chill now is 35 degrees in Terre Haute. It's 34 in Mattoon, 42 in Casey, 38 in Effingham. So again, it's not brutally cold out there, but with the dampness in the air, this is when you feel kind of achy and that dampness gets to you. It just kind of goes into your bones here. And so we look at tomorrow as the temperature will top out at around 37 degrees, maybe 38, but it'll stay below 40 most likely for the daytime high tomorrow. But it will be drier tomorrow than it has been today. So a look at the Storm Team 10 futurecast. This rain eventually moves out of here. And again, I can't rule out the possibility of maybe just a teeny bit of ice developing as the temperature dips right at about freezing. Overnight low expected to be around 31 degrees. So just keep that in mind if you're going to be out late tonight or first thing tomorrow morning. And then we get into the day tomorrow. Continues to be cloudy, but then we get into Wednesday. And then Wednesday we start to get a few breaks in the clouds as we gradually warm up. So we gradually improve the weather over the next several days. And by the weekend, it's just fine. So rain and drizzle, possible ice and snow, just a slight chance as the low drops to 31 degrees. And then for tomorrow, maybe some early morning freezing drizzle or flurries, otherwise a sharp northwest wind and a high of 37. Tomorrow night, cloudy and cold with a cold northwest wind. And the 7-day forecast, well, looks much better as we get into Wednesday. Partly cloudy, 37, Thursday 40, Friday 44, Saturday 48, and Sunday 50.